Eto nga sabi ni Rinoa, di ba kanina nung report niya, that loss can be the ignition for them. Agilas, Chaka Benben, putatangin na!
About even, pero ito talagang sinasara ng UST para sa Agilas yung inside scoring.
Eto, hindi nasarahan ng Pilipinas Agilas.
11 from the field, that's 27%. So medyo alat nga yung laro ni Oma Onyanwa ng Game 1.
Eto, nalagpasan niya na.
Finishing on the break, getting the deuce inside.
And Oma Onyanwa, nakakuha na ulit. Part of the first ever mythical 5 of the Women's Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League.
That's always going to be something that you're going to remember, being the first. People always remember the first for the Agilas.
Onyanwa, inside! Pilipinas Agilas, they can play the foul game. Onyanwa, underneath! Now to Goitinko, 4 seconds remaining, and Trina Goitinko.